Welcome to our TeamGuru video tutorial. Today we are going to learn about our module partners. Our module partners can help you to manage information about your customers and suppliers in one place. You can consolidate contacts, related documents, actions, and you can also share information from all of our modules with your partner. To create new external partners contact, you have to go to our partners module on the left side and just click on it. And here you will see the list of already existing contacts for your suppliers and customers. And if you need to add a new one, you just have to click on our green plus button in the right upper corner. For our video tutorial today, I would like to use already existing contact instead of creating a new one. And when you are working with the list of your contacts, you are able to use our show filters and search features. So if you are looking up your partner, you can either write your name of the partner or you can click on show filters button and you will see all these options that you can choose and search by. And I found my partner, so I'm just going to click on it. And here you see the name of your external partner. Here you will see the main details, but there are more that you can add under the settings. So when you click on Added Pencil, and here you see there are many more fields to complete. Many of them are optional, so you can just decide which information is important to you. And when I scroll the way down, you will see that you will be adding contacts for your external partner right here. And there is also subscriber. This person will be receiving emails in case any changes are made to this external partner contact information. And you are also able to choose related org units. This is just informative, so you just gonna know what org units your partner is tied to. And when you are done with all the information, you just click Save and View button. And here you will also see that you have an option to share internal notes and comments. Here you will see the contacts where you add them in the settings, but you are also able to add contact by clicking this green plus button right here or create new contact. And here, as you can see, that each individual contact for your supplier can be added right here under the Edit pencil. And each contact can be set up either as an active user or passive user. Passive user, that's just for your information that you can see all the details of that contact person. And active users, you will be able to closely cooperate with them online. You will be able to share any documents from our modules that you decide to share with them. And it will help you to eliminate a lot of email communication. And to set up the TeamGuru access, you will have to go to TeamGuru access right here, click on show, and here you will see that you have to choose account if it's either passive or active. And these active users, once you set them up with all the information and you save and close, they will receive an email notification with all the login information. And to set up active user, you will have to choose active account, select the login. They will be able to set up their own password. In case they forgot the password, here you will see the password change initiated, so then you just resend the link, so they will be able to change it. And then besides the TeamGuru access, you have to set up user rights. And under user rights, you will be selecting roles for your external partner, which means you will be choosing actions and permissions that your external partner will have when working with shared documents in the system. And under the roles in our submenu, you will see there is a default role, AD partner, and it is because our AD reports are used the most often from all of our modules, but also action lists and standardized meetings are used very commonly. But as I mentioned before, you are able to share any document from any of our modules that you choose to share, and you are also able to set up any role for your external partner. And to set up and create different roles in the system, first you have to have a sufficient role yourself to do so, and usually only the system administrators can do that. And to set up a new role, you will just have to go to our settings in the right upper corner and choose roles from the submenu. And here you see the list of already existing roles in the system, and if you need to create new one, you just have to click green plus button in the right upper corner. But let's look at one that it's already existing and set up as a default setting, AD partner. When I click on Edit Pencil, here you will see that first you have to set up type external partners, you have to select title, and then you will see all our modules and actions that you can choose from that your external partner will be able to perform in the system. Here I would like to just point out at the action list that you can just select view action list and actions, and your partner will be still able to edit their own actions that are assigned to them. And once you make your selection, you just have to scroll all the way up and click Save and Return button. And after you set up login access for your external partner, you select the role. There is one more step that you have to complete, and it is to choose the specific document that you would like to share with your external partner. And to select that specific document, you have to go to a module where the document is located under. Let's say that I will go to my meetings, and I will find a document that I would like to share with the external partner. So I just click the Edit Pencil. And here when you scroll down, you will find the external sharing tab. So when you click on it, you will see that you are able to add your customer or supplier here. Here you will see that you're selecting the partner and not the individual contact people. And once you do that, you just scroll all the way up and click Save and View. And now you will be able to share this document with your partner. And let's just do one quick example together how to set up active contact for the external partner. So when you go to your partners, and let's say that I would like to set up Mary Green to be able to view meetings and to be able to view that specific meeting that we just talked about. I need to go to her settings, and first I need to make sure that her account is set up as active. Then we need to make sure that Mary is set up with the correct role. Under the user rights, you will find the roles. Here, as I mentioned before, we have only one default role set up in the system, AD partner, but your administrator can set up any role and customize it to your needs for the contact. And in this particular case, your administrator needs to set up a role for view meetings and actions. So set up the external partner, the title, and then find the module standardized meetings and just select view so the external partner will be able to only see the meetings. And once that role is set up by the administrator, you will be able to choose it from this submenu. I can see that Mary is already set up with one role, so I will just add a new one and I will select that view meetings role. And after roles are selected, you just have to scroll all the way up and click Save and Close button. And now Mary is set up with active account and with two roles, AD partner and view meetings. But at this point, when Mary signs in to her TeamGuru account, she would not be able to see anything. And it is because you first have to select the specific documents that you want to share with her. So let's go and select that specific document. I will find my meeting document. And now when you go to Document Settings and scroll down, you will find External Sharing tab. So when you click on it and add partner, here you will select the partner, not the contact person, but the partner that your contact is set up for, and click Save and View. And now when Mary logs into her TeamGuru account, she will be able to use the roles for the two modules that we have set up, and it's for AD reports and standardized meetings. And under these modules, she will be able to work only with the documents that you decided to share with her. So when she clicks on standardized meetings, she will find the meeting that you shared with her, and here you can also see she's not able to add it, and it is because under the role we specified that we want her to be able to only view the meeting, and when she goes to the meeting she will be able to see it. And before we finish today, I would like to mention one more feature under our partners module. So when you go to your external partner, you will be able to set up your related documents, And also here I didn't mention that you are able to add department and priority for each contact. To be able to add these departments for each individual contact, you have to create these departments first under your module partners. When you click on it, from the submenu you choose departments. And you can create the new ones just by clicking the green plus button in the right upper corner, or you can select the ones that they are already created. For example, I created financial department, quality department. And then when you go back and you would like to add these departments for your contacts, you just have to click on the added pencil of that contact. And when you scroll down, you will see advanced settings. So when you click on show, here you can also select business phone, and departments are right here. So let's say that I can pick financial, and then you choose if it's the primary or secondary. And then here you will also see there are other formats and other fields that you can fill out. And once you are done, you just click save and close. Here it is. And the next are related documents. These related documents are not added automatically. You will have to choose them manually. Let's say that I already added my meeting right here. And if you need to add a new one, you just have to scroll up, click on related documents, and either add existing document or create a new one. And here you will also see that you have a nice overview of your AD reports, which steps are completed and which are not. And also these documents, it's a live link, so it will take you directly to that document. And this should cover it all. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.